want to go walk to mommy? Go walk over to mommy. Go. Go on
Come here,
over.
Chris. You're walking to your table, your new toy. Can you say hi
What
to
do you
your
think of that?
Aunt Mary and
You
your
wanna come
Uncle Phil and Leanne and Amy?
Face plant. You okay?
Chris, can you say hi?
Like at your nose. You want to go back over? Go back over. Ready? There we go.
Can you say hi to your family in Oklahoma?
Say hi. Pretty good, huh? You want to come back? Whoa! Hop on up.
Now you're playing with your Weeble Wobble castle. Hey Chris, can you say anything this morning? They don't want to see your back.
Hey, Chris. Hey. Let's go see Mom. Here we go. Go on over. Go on. Go, 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 go.
Oh, Chris. Chris. Hey, Chris. Chris, look at Mommy one more time. Come here. Say hi. Say bye, Chris. Chris. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Chris.
Oh, let's close that up, please. Oh, thank you. Okay, let's say bye. Hey, Chris. Chris, say bye.
Close it up. Close it up. Close. Good. Hey,
Okay,
Chris.
say bye.
Say bye.
Chris. Chris. Hey, Chris. Say love ya. Bye.